Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upload image on DeepSeek AI. So if you have any image and you would like to get info for it or maybe the answer, I'll show you how you can use DeepSeek for it. So first you have to simply open the DeepSeek app, and once you open it up, you will see the plus icon at the right bottom. You have to click onto this plus icon, then three options will come up. You have to select the middle one, then from your mobile phone gallery select the image that you would like to share. And once you share it, you just have to simply write anything. If you would like to explain it, answer it, solve it, here I'm gonna ask it to translate it. And once you're done, you just have to simply send it. And once you send it, it will just take a while, and after that it will generate an answer based on which picture you have sent it and the question you have asked. If you don't ask any question, it will just explain what is in that picture. But if you would like to add anything, you can also do it. So that's how you can upload image on DeepSeek AI. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.